3 of the middle schools got 15 of the VEX robotics kits. We're really excited about it. It's replacing equipment that we've had for many years. This is a really exciting upgrade for us. It really allows the students to focus on problem solving their designs and problem solving their coding rather than problem solving issues with the equipment that we were starting to have with the older stuff.
So right now we're working our way through one of the challenges set up to play a round of freeze tag with robots. So the students are building up their base robot, adding a bump switch to the back. That's where they get tagged on their robots. They'll be controlling it via controller for that. We're working through a series of different sub-activities in there, so they learn a little bit about programming the robot to do some things autonomously. Today, some of the footage that we saw was of students specifically programming the robots to work like a snowplow, moving a set of blocks from one spot to another with just the press of a button to take care of all those different tasks.
We have enough kits that I can have kids work in pairs. They took off with it so much more than even what I expected them to do. Students wanted to try things. They wanted to try things with the coding beyond what we were doing in class.
The other fun part about it is using block-based programming makes the coding language a little more accessible and easy, but there's a whole new set of activities they can do with the new equipment.
Last year, technology contacted me about replacing the classroom laptops because they were on the schedule to be replaced. I replied and told them that we don't really use them so much anymore now that the students have Chromebooks. I worked with our technology department and Matt Hapke to figure out that we could use the money in a much better way. We got the materials that we needed, we didn't get materials that we don't need, and I feel like the money is really being spent in a wise way.
It has really changed the face of the robotics side of PLTW here at middle school, so it's a great thing. We appreciate it, and we look forward to the next thing too.